Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply exchange your crypto on crypto.com. It's an easy process. It's basically conversion where you simply head over to the account section where you can have a look at your cryptocurrency asset. I'm going to be working with Ethereum for today. This video or this transaction aren't limited to Ethereum. It works for other cryptocurrency assets as well. Head back home, simply click on this sell option. And once you've selected the sell option, we're going to be selecting Ethereum. Select your Ethereum and select market order. Market order is an instantaneous buy or sell from the market, depending on the cryptocurrency asset you wish to buy or you wish to sell. So now I'm going to be getting myself some USDT. So I'll be selecting USDT and clicking on max and clicking on sell Ethereum by simply clicking on the confirm option, entering our passcode, and it's done. We've exchanged our Ethereum for some USDT on crypto.com. So guys, if you have any questions, do comment down below and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.